Hi, my name's Zach, and today you're going to learn how to make a time lapse. First, you're going to start off by importing your media of the time lapse that you've recorded. Once you've inserted it on your timeline, you're going to select it and hit Command J. A change speed menu is going to open up. For time lapses right around an hour, you're probably going to want to go right around 25,000 or 2,500%. For this 2-hour time lapse, I'm just going to go to 5,000% and hit OK. And now it's going to be going at 5,000%. And now your time lapse is working. My name's Zach, and I just explained how to make a time lapse on Final Cut Pro.